Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best mask light therapies available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Project E Mask Light Therapy. Through photodynamic therapy the mask will revamp your skin appearance. This LED Photon Therapy Mask is ideal for all skin types. You can choose your preferred color setting and start restoring your facial beauty. The LED Light Therapy Mask transmits natural light waves that activate photoreceptors in skin cells to beautify your complexion. And this skincare mask was made of 150 UV-free non-heat producing LED bulbs with no side effects. The suggested operating time is between 10 and 15 minutes. Each color of light shows beneficial effects on particular skin conditions. More than likely you will want to start with one 10-minute treatment 4 times a week to start unless otherwise directed by a doctor. At number 5 we have Bestqool Mask Light Therapy. Bestqool LED Face Mask Light Therapy provides you the 3 most effective lights to treat a myriad of skin problems. This safe and natural treatment can help the common skin problems in 20 minutes every day. This near-infrared light 27 pieces improves skin health and increases blood flow, improves pigmentation, reduces skin inflammation. This Bestqool LED face mask is a complete set. Use power controller to select mode. This natural light waves improving the look of skin. 3 colors multi-purpose skin solution. It is simple and convenient, also save money and time. It is perfect solution for sensitive skin. At number 4 we have Houzzi Mask Light Therapy. Each color of light shows beneficial effects on particular skin conditions. You can use natural light waves which are transmitted by LEDs into the skin. Also solve stubborn skin problems. It can reduce and prevent wrinkles, prevents moisture loss, minimizes pores, helps fight fatty areas. There are no side effects and offers pure light and energy for skin care, which is suitable for all skin types. Ultra simple way to use. At number 3 we have Amsgirl Mask Light Therapy. It is safe and could be repeated using to maintain facial skin, radically delayed the skin aging. That's improved the cell activity, also promoted the cell metastasis and making skin secreting collagen and fiber tissue. Accelerating blood backflowing, increase the skin elasticity. Its different light sources with different function can deal with different skin problem. The device with multifunction, economical and practical. When using beauty lotion or mask pack, the red light photon therapy adopted, suggesting time. At number 2 we have Benivor Mask Light Therapy. The automatic power off function ensures safety and allows you to enjoy skincare time more comfortably. Wireless and transparent design. You can do more things while skin light therapy without being restricted by the socket or feel the darkness. The LED light strip can bring very bright lighting. It can ensure the light reach the bottom of the skin well. The 7 colors LED face mask light therapy can solve different skin problems of all skin types, even improving oil production in the T-zone and protects sensitive skin. It can help you enjoy facial skincare easily at home. This LED face mask is a very good gift, which can be given to your relatives and friends, especially those you care about very much. At number 1 we have Thapink Mask Light Therapy. The LED face mask is good for all skin types. It can help you improve skin elasticity, tighten your skin to prevent wrinkles, and provide healthier looking and feeling skin. You could use the LED mask in the comfort of your own home. Unlike many other LED devices, this 184 grams ultralight LED light therapy mask is designed to ensure a comfortable experience. The adjustable and flexible buckle is easy to wear. It comes with its sleek and comfortable design. You can enjoy the facial skin care. The light therapy mask provides you 7 different colors to treat multiple skin problems. You could choose the one you prefer. It is built-in intelligent temperature at 40°C, provides a comfortable temperature. Eyes care. Better for relieving eye strain and eyes puffiness. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best mask light therapies for your need.